Hello friends, we are on the beach of El Cura, Playa del Cura of Torrevieja. This is, we can say, the heart of our city because it's located very next to the city center. We have always people here, day and night, summer, winter, people hanging around here, all the infrastructure, bars, restaurants, and of course this beautiful beach on front of those houses. And today I want to explain you a little bit everything about the real estate, the prices around this place of our beautiful city. The big advantage of this place is of course this nice promenade on which you can walk, enjoy the evenings, and there's always people here. Also, this place has a lot of liquidity if you buy here, because you have all the amenities, facilities here available, and also of course you are straight on the beach. Just getting out of the apartments, you get to this nice beach of our city. Of the other side, maybe this place is not for everybody because it's always a lot of people walking here. The nightlife, it can be noisy sometimes, and because as there's a lot of people here and we're in the centric area, there's not always parking available, and some of properties here, they are not big size. If you want something bigger, of course maybe you should think in buy something out of this place and more next to the city. Of course, the prices for properties on this place are also more expensive than the rest of the city. As we are here, I will talk about the first line, of course. And if you want to buy something small as a studio or one-bedroom apartment, it will cost about 110 until 130,000 euro for a small apartment. If you want something with sea view, it will be around 180 and 250 and more starting price for something that has a direct view to the sea. Also, if you want something as a long-term to rent something, and long-term rentals for small apartment here on the first line, on the second one will be around 700 and 900 euro per month for small one-bedroom apartment or studio. And of course, this place is very popular and it works very good for short-term rentals. You can rent apartment with one bedroom here on the first line for 80 euro until 150 euro. It depends on the condition, if it's renovated, and of course of the view that the property has. Playa del Cura is a center of life of Torrevieja that represents the atmosphere and vibrations of our city. It's perfect for investors, people that want to buy and have some profit of our beautiful city. So subscribe our channel, share this video with your family, your friends and your lovers. Give us a like, and soon we will make more kind of videos explaining the areas of beautiful city of Torrevieja. See you next time. Adios.